Xinhua Live. This is Sun Qing with China's Xinhua News Agency. I'm now at the main venue of 2023 World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai. And the conference officially kicked off on Thursday, and there are more than 400 companies from all over the world participating. And more than 30 models and technologies, cutting-edge products and services showcased for the first time are becoming the spotlights of the event. We can see here it's very crowded and boasts a number of participating companies. An exhibition area at this year's conference has reached the highest level in history. And the main venue of the conference, where we are now here, is the Shanghai World Expo Exhibition and Convention Center with sub-venues in Pudong and Xinhua districts. One of the highlights of this year's WAIC is that more than 30 AI models showcased on the conference, and the majority of them are from Chinese local companies. Enterprises showcased a variety of products, including large language models, chips, robots, and autonomous driving vehicles. So today I'm going to take you to a tour around this conference to see the newest AI technology in China and how AI shapes different industries here. So we're now here at the booth of Westwell, and this is also one of the very famous Chinese companies which is trying to use AI technology to develop autonomous logistics. So in order to find more information about this booth, let's find out Sarah to join our live stream. Hello.
Hello, my name is Sarah from Westwell Commercial Product Teams. Welcome to Westwell.
Thank you very much. We know that the Westwell have bring the new product in this year's WAIC. So could you please give us a brief introduction about this very cool Q tractor?
Yes, our new product Q tractor. It can be applied for different scenarios like airport and factories, etc. And with the maximum load of 40 tons, it is designed for the logistics transportations like small cargo transportation and baggage touring. So it can enable the continuous operation for 24/7 hours and under different kind of weather conditions. Here you can see, based on the different operation needs, our Q tractor also allows the smoothest mode switch between auto driving and autonomous driving. And it is empowered by our autonomous system called the Q-Pilot, which also utilizes the fusion technology with multiple sensors and provide the different functions like 360-degree perceptions, auto positioning, and cargo weighing, and auto charging, etc. So with Q tractor, we are able to provide a new and more efficient and convenient solution for our logistic customers.
When we're talking about the combination of AI and transportation, so how do you think that AI will empower the autonomous driving technology? And do you have other applications? How do you think about the market?
Yes, AI technology can be easily found on the autonomous vehicles. And for example, our Q truck, you can see the AI stereo camera at the front of our Q truck, which is self-developed by Westwell. And also our autonomous system Q-Pilot we also call the cross-scene intelligent autonomous platform that can be easily deployed through different scenarios and cases by different sensor configuration and then provide the strong perception and decision-making capabilities, just like humans.
Yeah, and this is also the 6th year for our company to participate in the conference. So how do you think about the WAIC as a platform for you to showcase your technology?
We are very honored that we actually attend WAIC every year. Yeah, and I think it's a premium platform. It's for all the international AI technology. And as the local company from Shanghai, we hope to provide the best product and technology through WAIC and get more opportunities for the development and to expand the market. And also in the end, we hope and target to present the best product and technology from local Shanghai, and also the technology capability from China to all over the world.
Okay, thank you, Zara. Thank you for your introduction. Okay, just near the west wall, we can see this is the booth of Tesla. And Tesla is also one of the most popular booths in this year's conference. And you can see there are so many people, they are coming for the Tesla boat. And I will give you a brief introduction about this Tesla boat. The boat is actually 173 centimeters and weighs about 56 kilograms, which is in body shape of a normal adult. The robot has 28 degrees of freedom throughout its body, just like the joints of human body. It can also perform various tasks, such as moving items, interacting, and having conversations. Okay, guys, now let's have a look at the cases of the combining of AI to the medical industry. And this is the booth of GE Healthcare, and this is also one of our old friends on the conference. We know that GE have bring two newest products in this year's conference, so let's go and take a look. Hello. Okay, today we are very happy to invite this very handsome gentleman to join our live stream. Hello.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Could you briefly introduce yourself to our audience?
Okay. My name is Li Feng. I'm the principal architect for CT software modality. I have been working at GE for about 25 years. I did a lot of projects. My work is cover the software architecture, software platforming, and new technology, and a lot of advanced features, and so on.
We know that the GE Healthcare is actually one of the old friends of the conference here.
Yeah.
So we know that we have made two different kind of products here for the global debut. So could you give us a brief introduction about those technologies?
So you can this is the ultrasound. Basically,
Is it actually a device that based on AI technology?
yeah. So being or as a medical imaging device, there are two aspects that the user is very important. One is it generates the high quality images. Another is you need a very simple workflow. That means no matter what scanner you are using, or no matter who is doing the scan, you need to always get the high quality image very easily. So that's our purpose. We have a lot of AI technologies that will help us to achieve these two goals. Yeah, actually this ultrasound, we also have some application over there. So if you look at this scanner, it is a little different compared to the old one. You will see actually a camera system on top of the scanner. It's actually changed. It has changed the current patient position workflow. Our system, we also called Tianyan in Chinese, has a great change to current workflow, patient workflow. Let me explain how it works. We have a camera system. It collects both the 2D and the 3D information for the patient, and then we'll send the data to our AI engine. So this engine will quickly, calculate what's the right position for patients. So everything is done in the real time, immediately. The operator even don't need to go into the scanning room. No. So just one button press, the patient, the table can go into the right position. So you can do the scan. Everything's done. Okay, so it's pretty cool. We have some data from the real customer from the site. It actually can reduce 30% of the patient scanning time. Yeah, it can support up to 300 CT scan, 1 day for one scanner.
When you're talking about how the AI will empower our the medical industry and devices, so how those products have been used in the Chinese market? So how do you think about the work as a platform for a company?
Yeah, we do have a survey around the countries in the world to understand the acceptance of AI technology in the medical world. What the doctor thinking about AI technology. So the results said that the China customer is really open to the AI technology.
Thank you for joining our live stream.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so now we will heading to see some big models from Chinese companies. Let's check out. Okay, one of the highlights of this year's World Artificial Intelligence Conference is that more than 30 AI models from companies such as Huawei, Alibaba, Baidu were showcased. After ChatGPT took the world by storm late last year, the AI industry in China began to embrace a new round of frenzy, with tech giants as well as startups rushing to launch similar generative AI products in the past few months. Some of the AI models are applied to different industries. For example, now you see the Netease have launched the Fuxi, the first unmanned loading robot and mining robot in China, which has participating in the construction of frontline scenarios such as mines and railways. So we are very happy today to have some staff to bring us more information about Fuxi. Hello.
Hello.
Very nice to see you. And could you first give us a brief introduction about yourself to our audience?
Okay, hello, I'm the product manager of the Netease Fuxi engineering robots. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, the word Fuxi is a traditional Chinese concept, right?
Yes.
So how Fuxi will do in the real days by the AI models?
Okay, today we launched the unmanned loading robot at the WAIC 2023.
Is this also the world debut for the unmanned loading robots?
Yes. This is the first construction machinery product with self-evolution capability based on the Netease Fuxi and Netease Fuxi AOP series and industrial big data model. It is mainly used for the automatic material transport in creating missing plans. At present, it has been applied to intelligent creating missing plans to Shanghai and to Nantong Railway. It could help to improve the efficiencies of construction. We accept the application of Fuxi unmanned loading robots will help construction workers stay away from the dangerous working environments and achieve high safety and high quality work.
Yes, okay. We know that we can use this AR glasses, and if I put on the AI glasses, then I can see the real mining operation. So could you please show us for this? We can see the first year of mining operations through VR glasses, and in what fields of Fuxi will be applied in the future, and what changes will it bring to the industry and worker operations. Just like I mentioned before, that there are more than 400 companies participated in the event this year, with a total exhibition area of 50,000 square meters at the main venue. Today we are very happy to invite Tom to join our live stream. Hello, Tom.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Well, thank you for coming. Welcome to Chinascope's station. We're very glad, very happy to be here with everyone. How are you guys doing? All right, so what's going on? What can I help you with?
Yeah, we know that Tom is the CEO of Chinascope, and we know that Chinascope have bring some of new product here in this year's conference. So could you maybe show us around? in your booth.
Sure, but before I do that, let me give you a little introduction on what Chinascope is. Well, first of all, I'm Tom Liu. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Chinascope. We are a data technology company founded about 14 years ago. Now, what we do is to take disparate information, unstructured, across the entire realm of legally accessible information, and then we take that and we structure them into highly standardized data fabric, and then we run sophisticated models on top of that so that we can help financial institutions to make funding and investment decisions. Okay, so today we're at the World AI Conference here in Shanghai. Now, one of the things that we are very excited about is we recently just released our newest underlying technology, Istari. Now, those of you who are familiar with Lord of the Rings will know that Istari is Elvish for wise ones, right? And that's essentially what it is. It's a way to restructure information, ones we already had. So one of the core technology data structures that we have is industrial value chain system. We've been developing that for the past, iterating that, I should say, for the past 12 years. Now what it is it captures the entire network of industrial value chain across the economic system. What that data structure has is allows us to capture upstream, downstream relationships of products and then see what companies are actually attached to those products. However, it's a little bit limited because once you want to do in-depth industry analyses, there are certain things that's not really captured in there, such as production process, production methodologies, technologies, IP, thematics, and things of that sort. Now, what we did with Istari is to capture those perspectives and establish those relationships into a unified product graph, right? And it allows us to build a much more robust foundation where we can run much more sophisticated models. Now, the reason why we can do this now is largely thanks to the advent of large language models. Prior to this, in order to capture all of the relationships, the various relationships I just spoke of, we had to use supervised machine learning. That's dependent on annotations by experts. It's a very time-consuming process, okay? Now, but what large language models helps us do is we can make them much more efficient by introducing prompt engineering, where we design prompts using large language models, and that essentially extracts out these relationships where we can standardize them into this graph data structure, okay? So now we have this, we're able to really take our services and products to a whole new level in 2023 and into the future.
Yeah. So what kind of scenarios can this be applied in China?
So currently we service 3 types of clients, all right? There is the public markets financial institutions. So we're talking about investment banks, mutual funds, hedge funds that invest in public equities and debt, right? So this kind of information can help them to do much better research, all right? Quantitative analysis and quantitative trading. Second is we provide this information to commercial banks, right? Allows them to give credit, make better credit decisions towards small to medium-sized enterprises. And the third one was a very recent sort of additional use case scenario for us, clientele base, which are local governments who are trying to attract companies to invest in their regions, right? So this kind of data structure helps them to figure out what sort of industry situation it is in their specific regions, in the specific markets they're trying to analyze, and how those companies interact with those vis-a-vis this industry supply chain data structure.
Thank you very much, Tom. Thank you for joining our live stream. Thank you.
No, you're welcome. All right, anytime.
Okay, guys, we can see on this year's conference that AI technology is bringing many changes to various industries in China, greatly improving production and work efficiency. We hope that the booming of Chinese digital economy can bring more opportunities to domestic and foreign AI enterprises in China. Okay, that's all for today's live program. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.